Okay, so this is just a little 4x4 example solve. The Scramble is in the description, but I also made sure that it's the same as this one. So it's this one on the screen right there. So now let's go and do this. So I always do blue center and green center first. So it looks like actually blue and green center are about the same. So I start on this side. I see that you can do this. This is probably the best thing to do. No, wait. There. Solve the blue center, and there's the green center pieces, and then these two green center pieces, so I can do that. Bring that one up. Bring that one up. And now I've got blue and green center, and I also have blue on left. So now while I'm doing that, I also look for blue edge pieces. So there's blue, yellow, white right here in this corner, which I can solve like this. That solves that. And now these two paired, I can do this. And then solve those and insert them. And now there's 4 more edge pieces. They're right here and right here are the last 4 pieces. So then I can do this. I've got them paired up, and then I can insert them, like so. So now now for the second block. So I would probably do this. And now I've got this piece right here. I can insert that. There's 2 edges right here and 2 edges right here. What I would probably do is this one is a holy edge pair. It's got a hole in it, a chink in it. So I would do something like this. And insert that, and then insert that one. Then I've got these 2 right here. I would do that, and then that to solve this pair, which I can then insert. So now CMLL, but I'm also looking and I see the 2 centers right here. So what I would actually do now is, because I've got this line, I can just do that, so that I can be looking for other center pieces, knowing that this is solved already while I'm doing CMLL. So now CMLL is it's this case, CLL, whatever you want to call it. And now the 2 center pieces for the white center right here. I can do that. And now for this part, for the rest of step 5A, I changed it up a little bit since I last showed a video on it. So what I would do now is I'd actually solve the back center. And then using some Hoya-like things, I can do this to solve the edges. And now 5B, last 2 centers, and now 5C. So I see this piece goes to red right here. This may be a nice cycle, I'm not sure. I can probably solve 2 pieces by going like that. So what I would do is I would slice up, move a piece out of the way, and try to solve this down piece. So if you cannot solve 2 pieces at a time, you want to try to, if you cannot solve 2 pieces in the U layer at the same time, then you want to try to solve a piece in the U layer and a buffer piece. So like that. So you always solve 2 pieces at a time. Now I'm going to go back to this piece and I see orange, yellow. Orange, yellow goes to here. This is green, yellow, which would go right here. And then I see that orange, yellow is in that spot. And now orange, yellow is in that spot. I can do that. I see that it goes to here. There's that, and then this one's blue yellow, which goes right here, and now slice, and I see this one goes to red is right here, this one goes to green white, so I can go like this, and now I've got a last 2 edges case, which for this one is and then done. Thank you guys for watching my Lewis method example solve.